What's up, guys? I'm back with another show. If you don't remember me, my name's Grace, and I'm with Carly. And like, subscribe, hit the bell, and let notifications come to you, and share.
I'm scared because someone just took us.
Well, they didn't. You know what I'm scared of?
What?
I'm scared because I heard knocking and we opened the door and there was nobody there.
Yeah, me too. I'm scared about that. What the heck? Someone's taking the thing off.
It's a screen protector.
What just happened?
What?
What just happened, guys?
Our phone cracked. The phone freaking cracked. Oh wait, no it didn't. It's just the screen protector.
Gosh. Okay, someone's moving that screen protector. I know it's not us.
That's definitely not me. That was Caitlin. Aw, Caitlin, wasn't it, guys? Yeah, I know it. Huh?
I'm bored. Me too.
Duh.
And me too.
And then I have Madeline and Caitlin over here.
Yeah. We're on live right now.
We're not on live. We're on just recording.
We're an ABC Mouse Kids.
But yeah, we're just really bored.
ABC.
And I got kicked.
By who?
By you.
Last night?
No. This morning. I thought she said
Oh, yeah. I karate kicked too.
yeah, but I'm a black belt. So you wanna get me kicking to you?
Heck no.
Exactly.
I don't mess with a black belt. I do not mess with a black belt.
Exactly. Well, we were just gonna tell you that, but yeah, bye.
Yeah.
See y'all later.